Hello and welcome to the Mortgage Porter Weekly. I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor in the greater Seattle area, with this update for the week of March 23rd, 2026. As the conflict in Iran continues, we're seeing a seesaw of the markets improving as tensions seem to ease and when they snap back as threats and attacks rise. MBS Highway shared that the Iranian parliament speaker said that they would strike purchasers and holders of U.S. Treasuries, stating that U.S. Treasuries are funded by Iranian lives. And as I prepare this for you on Monday afternoon, the Dow is surging based on Trump stating that the U.S. and Iran have had productive talks. Opno Blue reports the average rate for a 30-year fixed as of last Friday, March 20th, averaged 6.356%. So you can see this trend moving higher with interest rates since the war started in early March. So please remember this Opno Blue index is an average from about 35% of the mortgage transactions or lenders who use Opno Blue when they go into lock. And so we don't know how these rates are being priced, if there's points involved or what somebody's credit scores are or what the down payment or loan to value is. So if you would like to have current rates based off of your personal financial scenarios, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help you with that. So this week on the economic calendar, watch for the ADP weekly employment report coming out on Tuesday. The next Fed rated announcement is scheduled for April 29th. And the scheduled economic indicators that we see here will probably take a back seat to the conflict in Iran and oil prices. On Friday, mortgage-backed securities were whammoed by the news of the European Central Bank and the Bank of England were ready to hike rates next month if the war in Iran pushes inflation too far. So check out that big red candlestick. It was a pretty dramatic day showing just how much mortgage-backed securities, which is what mortgage rates are based on, were impacted. And so red indicates higher mortgage rates. And the bigger the stick, the more movement there is in rates that day. And each stick or dash is one day. So today, as I prepare this around 1 p.m., mortgage-backed securities are improved by 24 basis points. And so all the red dashes that are trending lower since March do reflect the war in Iran and inflation. And so if you've been watching rates in this month and wondering why are rates climbing, it's the big reason why. And so hopefully we have everything resolved here soon and start to see more green candlesticks. This week's spotlight is on mortgages for manufactured homes. A manufactured home can be a great affordable housing option, whether you're looking to add one as an accessory dwelling unit on your existing property or purchase one on its own land or even refinance. So there are more loan options than what most people realize. FHA loans are probably the most popular. They have very flexible credit guidelines with as little as 3.5% down, and VA loans are eligible for veterans and with no mortgage insurance. And USDA also has options if the property is located in a rural designated area and if you meet the income limits for that. And conventional financing may surprise some people, including Fannie Mae's MH Advantage program, which can go as low as 3% down if the home meets certain criteria. So one important note for most of these programs is that the homes do need to be on their own land and or classified as real property and not in a rental park. So I have an updated guide on the blog at mortgageporter.com. Just search manufactured home and you'll find it. And if you want to talk through specific situations, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about your specific scenario, whether you're buying, refinancing, or just trying to figure out your options, even if it's a year away, I'd love to hear from you. Visit me at mortgageporter.com or reach out directly. I'm always happy to help you or anyone you know. Take care and have a great week. Bye-bye.